Hello and welcome in the new episode.
So guys, I've got the ride directly to the beginning of the hike, which is very convenient and exciting, and I'm ready to start hiking. I'm so excited to be hiking. That's a very spontaneous adventure, but I think it is here. I'm doing it to prove myself and to show for you as well that it's possible to go for adventure without much preparation, and it's fine. Hiking, it's so nice. Having a little break in this beautiful beach. It looks like paradise. Beautiful colors, warm. I'm gonna go for a little swim to refresh, and I'm gonna have some food. I hope I am well prepared for a few days of camping. Haven't done it many times before. I think I'll be fine. Beautiful ocean. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love the views. Going back up to the main hike. It's a nice little break. I did end up going for a swim, maybe on the next beach. But it was stunning, so beautiful. I have still 10 kilometers to do today until I reach my campsite. Well done, Abel Tasman. Wow, New Zealand. I'm falling in love. How stunning is that? The weather looks so blue from here. This perfect weather. I wanna give you guys some information about the Abel Tasman hike if you want to do it yourself, which I highly recommend. Generally, it is located in the northern part of South Island in New Zealand. It is easy accessible if you hire a van or a car, or if you hitchhike like I did. Took me equal amount of time probably as driving almost. Hitchhiking here is very easy and I had great experience getting here. It is necessary to book your accommodation, which are dog huts, tents, so campsites. I think those are the two options. There are many activities like kayaking, they're optional. You can hike in and out. You need to bring all your stuff, so food, camping or equipment if you camp, or sleeping bag if you sleep in a hut. And I have my backpack. It is not too heavy at all. It is very comfortable. It's a little bit dirty right now. I have my tent here. It's 40 liters, very nice. And I've got this live straw water bottle, which I use successfully refilling water from taps that are available. I will link it in the description so you can buy one for your next adventure. Officially one of the most beautiful places I have ever seen in my life. Okay, we are back at the beach. Pretty. My camping might be around here. Cool, I found my camping spot for tonight. Yeah, I'm hungry after all this hiking, but I'll go for a swim first. Beautiful afternoon swim. It is almost sunset, my tent is up. I talked to a ranger about weather conditions tomorrow, and he also checked my bookings. It seems I will continue my hike tomorrow because I really want to. My beans in a can and then sleep probably. Want to do some painting as well, let's see how that goes. Woo, it's windy. Okay, going back to the sea. Windy. Hello, Mr. Bird.